Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating software caps and fit issues. First, charge the Hesh ANC above half and connect with the cable, if possible, to bypass Bluetooth compression. Next, on your phone, open System Sound Settings and any Skullcandy app, turn off Volume Limit or Safe Volume. Once done, switch ANC to passive or off so you hear the unprocessed driver output. This shows the maximum baseline loudness before EQ or amplification. You now increase perceived loudness carefully. In the Skullcandy app or System EQ, boost mids and upper bass by about 3 to 6 decibels. These frequencies deliver punch and perceived volume. Then make sure your source uses a high bitrate codec like aptX or LDAC. Go to Bluetooth settings and select it if supported. If wired output remains low, plug into a small inline amplifier or use a phone with a better DAC. This supplies extra headroom so the Hesh drivers can reach. You finish by removing remaining limits and checking for faults. Update the Hesh ANC firmware in the app. Updates can fix volume bugs. Try another cable and a second source to determine whether the headphones or phone are limiting output. If you hear distortion at higher settings, back off EQ gain or apply a gentle limiter/compressor in your player. This preserves loudness without clipping. If nothing works, factory reset the headphones and retest before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.